Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends, your front row seat to the biggest smartphone stories of the year. Before we dive into all the juicy Pixel 10 Pro XL details, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a major tech drop. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is shaping up to be a beast in 2025. With next-gen AI smarts, triple cameras, a radiant new display, and pricing that could shake up the premium phone game. Google's Made by Google event is set for August 13, 2025, with phones shipping starting August 20th. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to debut at around $1,199 for the base 256GB model. Under the hood, the powerful Tensor G4 chip built on a 3nm process, paired with up to 16GB RAM. That's major power and efficiency in one sleek package. Experience the massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display, cranking up to 2700 nits peak brightness, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass Victus for durability. The Pixel 10 series is rumored to include a third telephoto lens, think super sharp zoom, gimbal quality stabilization, and macro-grade detail. The Pro XL keeps the trusted wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto trio, now all at 48 megapixels each for consistent pro-level snaps. AI takes center stage. Advanced editing tools, speak-to-tweak video features, and 7 years of Android 16 Plus updates make this a smart investment. Battery estimates suggest around 5,060 mAh with fast wired and Qi 2 wireless charging. Expect all-day usage backed by Google's optimized performance. So that's your sneak peek. Pixel 10 Pro XL brings premium display, powerhouse AI, triple 48 megapixels cameras, long battery life, and early August delivery, the total package. Let me know in the comments, is it worth the $1,200 investment for this much tech evolution? If you found this helpful, smash that like, share with your squad, and subscribe for full coverage when Google goes live in August.